Good morning, everyone. You did a fantastic job ordering and retelling the story The Way Back Home yesterday. Now, for today's activity, we're going to focus on the Martian in the story. Now, the word Martian is usually used to describe an alien from the planet Mars. But we don't actually know where this alien comes from. What we're going to do today is we're going to design our very own planet where we think the alien has come from. Today is about focusing on some of our ideas, and I'm going to talk you through mine, and then tomorrow we are going to concentrate on writing the sentences. I've already created the design for my planet. I've used the template to help me come up with some of my ideas. You can use this to help you for your ideas too. So the first thing we're going to consider is the name. I've come up with the planet name Zippy, but you can come up with any name of your own creation. It can be a real word or an alien word. The next thing to think about are some key facts. So you need to decide the colour of your planet, the size. Now you can relate the size to something else that you know. I've decided it's the size of Jupiter. It could be the size of our moon, the Earth, the sun, or something completely different which you can think of. And then I've decided how many moons the planet might have. And you can see these here on my picture. Next, I have to describe the sorts of people or aliens that live there. So I'm going to take inspiration from the story. Can you have a go at describing the alien? Fantastic. Now I've decided some words such as green, long noses, 2 antennae. Can you point to what the antennae are on this picture? Yes, these are the antennae. I've described the personality, that the aliens are intelligent. Can you talk to your grown-up about what you think the word intelligent means? Excellent, it means smart. And I've also described them as having big families. So you could decide if they're the only people that live there or whether there is anybody else that lives on your planet. The next thing we want to think about is what our planet is made from. Now we can think about some of the materials we learnt about in our science work, or we could come up with something else. I decided that my planet was made from rock and metal. I wonder what you will decide. We can also think about the signs of life. How do we know that living things are on that planet? If it has water on, that's a good sign that there might be living things, or oxygen, which is the air that we breathe. I know that things live on my planet because there are buildings and spaceships. I could even add them onto my picture later on. And finally, if you can think of any other facts or descriptions about your planet, you can add them at this section here. So on my planet, there is lots of lightning. It is 2 billion miles from Earth, and the planet is very hot. Now you could come up with something completely different, and you could put your extra facts here. Now, for this piece of work, I haven't written in full sentences. Once we have our ideas, then tomorrow we are going to be able to use those to help us write some descriptive sentences about our planet. Now, when we describe a place, we sometimes call it the setting. So we are describing a setting. I can't wait to find out about your planet, seeing your illustrations and seeing the descriptions of the different parts of your planet. Good luck.